In this video you learn how to recreate this classic Commodore 64 game. This video is part of a series. In this part you will polish the game and finish it. If you have missed the previous parts of this tutorial, click here to start at the beginning. Otherwise, let's go. Alex wants the text to appear at random heights. This is an easy task. He sets y to a random value between 1/4 and 3/4 of the height of the screen. What does that look like? The word now starts at random heights. And now Alex implements the last feature, and that is the moving star field background. Stars will be small rectangles placed at random positions at the screen. And just like all other elements, they need to be drawn. What does that look like? Very nice. Now Alex makes them move in the update method. Stars move to the right, but when they leave the screen, their X value is reset. Alex thinks that should do it and tests the game. And that works. The game is tested and all Alex needs to do now is to pick a random word from the words list. He tests the game a final time. That works very good. Isn't it great that with about 100 lines of code, a fully featured game can be created with Python? And did you know that you can make games with even less code? If you want to see how that works, click on the screen right now and we'll see each other in the next video.